Hello and good afternoon everyone. We are here at Automation Expo 2025 and we are having Mr. Pritesh M. Shah, Chairman Prima Equipment, and we are going to ask him related to his company, new launch or updated version of your products. So we'll start with actually attracted with this line. We are concerned about the most cherished dream in the world, that is life. So can you please explain our viewers or readers about it?
Surely, we are the manufacturer of pollution and environment monitoring equipment. So it's all concerned with the people. So now if I talk about the safety, definitely the safety equipments are used for the people's workers in the industry. If you talk about the environment, definitely what you breathe the air has to be a clean. If not, how much is not good. So it need to be measured. So whatever the equipment we manufacture, it's all related to the safety, environment, pollution measurement. Hence, this is the line that we are concerned. We are the most concerned about the cherished dream. Everybody's cherished dream is a good life. So the product what we manufacture goes in the making the people's life betterment. Rather, the equipments are obviously used in industry. So wherever they are either chemical process or a boiler, or those who have a furnace, or they are doing any process related to the chemical and gases. So they emit the pollutants. So we measure that the pollutants are under the control or not. So our equipment has to be invariably have the most reliability is requirement. So that's another things which we always talk about, the reliability of the measurement. Because if you want to achieve some goal of reduction of pollution, basically you need to have a proper data of the measurement. I mean, the proper data is reliable. Definitely you can have a sustainable policies. So the entire theme of this automation 2025 about the sustainability. So we are a major contributor. The sustainability can be achieved through having more reliable data, because that's whatever we do is all for the people, people's life. So sustainable policies making, sustainability, this all things comes under when you have a reliable data measurement. So the equipment what we are displaying here is like in the top you can see the features like all our equipments are manufactured as per the European standards and the US standards. So it meets all the regulatory requirement as per the international level requirement. So it becomes something different than the other is like our all products. It goes with a reliability concern. So the competency to achieve the reliable measurement, that's a technology and that's an innovation, and we are very proud to have a made in India product and made for the world. That's another slogan if you can say made in India, made for the world. So we are currently exporting our product to another 6 to 7 countries, and we are sure that our goal of 26 by to have another 10 to 15 countries for the export. So it is a proud moment for our nation as well as obviously for us, because my entire team of research and development team, those who are day and night working, that what new or what addition, what betterment or what user friendly things can be done to reach to this goal of reliability to sustainability. So this is the most important when you manufacture any product. Otherwise you can see there are a lot of startups are there, keeps on making an amateur products, but actually when it comes to about the testing of the product, the testing standards, lot of electronics, lot of hardware, lot of software and competency is needed. So any product you manufacture, you need to have it tested by a competent laboratory. So when there is a competent laboratory testing the equipment, it endorses that equipment performs as a reliable and it works as per the standard. So this is what our major the product what we are continuous emission monitoring system, which is as we write that it's a world's only system. I don't know how many people are proud about being an Indian, but we are definitely proud about having an Indian and having an Indian innovations and Indian product, which is the world's only equipment where we give entire equipment tested as per the European standard, which is normally required into the market. So when you do this, a lot of efforts goes into that of developing the quality product, small thing in improving in the electronics to get this accuracy measurement of the product. It is a mammoth task basically to have the things in, because India still have the limited facility of testing. So and that testing when you have to go, either if you want to make an European standard, either you have to send your equipment to Europe or maybe in US for the testing, and that becomes really challenging for everything. But somehow we are there and we have done this thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, sir.